Doctor, engineer, banker, lawyer. There's a lot of professions around us. But the question is, which one to choose? Hi, I am Sumaiya Sultana. Currently, I am studying in Journalism and Media Communication Department at Green University of Bangladesh. Why to choose this department? Because this department allows me to explore myself, helps me to work with my creativity in my zone, and we have expert faculties, expert members in this department, and we have our own media lab, our computer lab, our equipments. Those can help in the real life experience where you can already learn and know how the real life works and how journalism works. Also, they offers us various kinds of programs to explore ourselves. So definitely you can choose this department if you want to explore and know your creative side and work well.